Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Hyundai Bluelink. Bluelink is used in Hyundai cars that are connected to the internet via 4G, and the car we're using today is a Kona EV, latest model. Before you start, you'll need to add the Bluelink account to your mobile. To do this, visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the app. Then follow the prompts and set up an account in Hyundai, ready to start. After you've done this, I'll show you how to activate the vehicle. Following that, we'll add the vehicle to the app. Then we'll go through all the features of the app and you'll be able to see what you can do with the app once it's connected to the car. We'll also look at sharing the app so that others who also drive the car can operate it through the app. And finally, we'll look at how to detach the vehicle from the app. So let's go. If you've been deferring the nag screen when starting the car, you'll see this message. Otherwise, simply press the setup button under the screen and then select Bluelink. When you activate Bluelink, you'll be required to read through some terms and conditions. There's two lots of them. If you want to, you can read them. Otherwise, grab the blue knob on the side, drag that to the bottom, the agree will become available, and then you get to the next one. Do the same there, go next. When you've done that, click on the privacy policy and then just select next. This is all you need to do and you will now be set up for Bluelink in the car. In preparation for adding your car to your app, you'll need to go into Setup and into Bluelink and then touch modem information to bring up the QR code ready to pair the phone to the car. On your phone, go into the Bluelink app. Once you're connected, add a vehicle. You will then be presented with the terms and conditions as you were in the car. Scroll through those and agree. There's two lots of them. Then you click on QR code scan, and you can use the camera in the phone to scan the QR code that you brought up in the car earlier. Scan the QR code and then wait for both the car and the phone to respond to say that they've received the codes. At this point, I can't show you the car screen because I'm recording the phone, but it's quite obvious when it comes up on the car, it will give you a code to enter into the phone. Enter that code into the phone and then press Add Vehicle. After a short delay, your phone will show your car now connected to your phone and you will have full access to all the features of the Bluelink app, which we'll go through shortly. When you select your vehicle for the first time, you'll be presented with settings. I change the biometrics, turn those on so I can log in with my thumbprint. Okay, so now the vehicle's connected to the app. Let's go through and look at some of the features in the app. When you first go into the app, you'll notice that you're offered the ability to set some shortcuts. We don't need to do this immediately. There's an option there you can see where you can tick that afterwards to not show you anymore, otherwise it'll come up every time you start. When we're into the car, we can see that we need to OK to connect into the actual vehicle. And now we're connected, and now if we touch the car itself, we can actually see a little bit of information about it. You can drill down into those screens. This home screen is where we would normally hang out. It has all of the features we need. You can see here we can lock and unlock the car, we can start the climate, we can see nearby charges, we can see points we've been to. Our calendar from our Outlook is integrated into the car, and there's some other settings there. Moving over to the vehicle controls, you can see here we've got the ability to do some extra things like lights and horns and lock and unlock the car. We can set the climate temperature. This is the status screen. You can see the efficiency, the battery level, the status of all our items that we can control. And you'll notice there's a fan control in the bottom right corner. It's available most of the time on most screens. If we press the fan control, we'll actually turn on the air conditioner. So you can see here the control's been sent, and if you look up the top, you'll see that the climate is now on. You can also see that back on the control screen and the home screen. They all show the status of the controls. And then we can turn it off again. The next thing we need to look at is sharing a vehicle. If you're the primary owner of the vehicle, you might like to share it with somebody else. This way, the other driver can also access the app. Before the other driver can share the car with you, they need to set up their own Bluelink account on their mobile phone. Their credentials will be used, their mobile number and their PIN number, to work with the system. So press the icon of the car to start, then press Share Car. Then enter in the phone number and the PIN number the other person used on their system for their account. You'll see an error here because I don't have another account to use. But if I did, that would be connected now and the other person would have access to the system. The last thing I'd like to show you is how to deactivate your vehicle. Go into the program, click on the vehicle on the home screen. This will take you to the information screen. Touch the bin in the top right hand corner. You'll be prompted to confirm, and when you do this, your vehicle will be removed from the system. If you have no other vehicles, you'll see your account details in the app with no vehicles attached. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.